What's up, music producer? Here's a quick tip on the Ableton AutoFilter. Have you checked out these special filter types down here? The default is clean, and you'd all know this sound, say with an LFO. But these different types here are modeling famous analog synthesizers. The OSR is an Oscar, MS2 is a Korg MS20, PRD I think is a Moog, and the SMP is halfway between the two. They made a hybrid one. See what they sound like. Cool thing is they let you add drive too. That knob just appears. That wasn't there before in the clean setting. Now, when you mix those together, you can drive and use resonance together and they interact, and they can do some cool things and have some happy accidents and add a lot of strength. Hear this. You might like some of these too on 12 decibel slope to make them sound a little bit more vintage too. Not all the older synths had 24 dB filters. Get a bit more growl in there. Now, what's also cool is that stuff is built into Sampler. When you go to the filter in Sampler, you can also use those same circuits. Pretty cool, right? And they even put it in Wavetable. Let me switch this on. All right, so if you didn't know about that, you just scored yourself 4 new filter types, analog modeled. You're welcome. Have fun with those filters, guys. If you like this video, hit share and share it with a friend.